Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a LeetCode, which is LeetCode 1281. Subtract the product and the sum of a digit in an integer. So here is given a n, integer n, and you just have to find the product and the sum of each digit, and then you just have to subtract it. Okay, so the product of this digit is 24 and the sum is 9. After subtraction you will get the 15, so you just have to return the subtraction value. Okay, so let's do this. First you have to create int sum equals to 0, which will store the sum, and int product equals to 1, and then while n is greater than 0 we will traverse through the each digit. So while n is greater than equals to 0, int last digit is equals to n modulo 10, and sum plus equals to last 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 digit, and the product you will find equals to last digit, n equals to n by 10. Okay, and after you find, you just have to create the difference equals to product minus sum. Okay, and after this you just have to return the difference. Let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this code. This has been accepted. Thanks for watching.